So hello guys, good evening to all of you. So today I'm going to start the second chapters. First chapters I have already have been shown in my previous video. If you have not seen, you can go in the descriptions box and check it now. So today is the very interesting topic. There is a how to what is the advice for a new trader. So let me go to the this is the so my telegram channel's name is Trading Techniques. Here you can have to first learn, then after you can earn from the stock market. Understood? So going to the next slide, there is a I have prepared some PPT that is very important to all of you. So that is the advice to a new trader who wants to come in the stock market to earn a decent profit from the stock market. There is some advice to a new traders because they have done the mistakes and they lose the money. In the stock market, either you can make money or either you can lose money. So without any knowledge, definitely 100% you will lose money in the starting of the day. So first you have to learn how the stock prices moves, how the market behaves, the news, everything you should know. At least you have to spend some 6 months or 1 year to make a decent profit in the stock market. Without knowledge, if you enter in the stock market, you end up with the losses only. So the first advice to a new trader is start with a capital of 10,000 rupees. See, if you have lakh rupees, 1 lakh, 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees, even after 1 crore rupees, don't think to put all your money while you are new in the market. First you have to learn. So for learning process, always use the small amount. So my advice to all of the new traders to start with a capital of 10,000 rupees only. That is the minimum amount, and you can't start the trading with a capital of 1,000 or 5,000. So try to understand, you have to give the brokerage also. So better at least you should start from the 10,000 rupees in the market. Even if you have a lot of money, but you always start with the small amount. I prefer with the 10,000. Okay, moving to the next point. First 3 months trade in the stocks. Stocks means TCS, all types of the companies listed in the NSE or BSE site. First you trade in the stocks only. First 3 months you have to trade only in the stock. What will be the benefit for trading in the stock? Your losses will be less, even your profit will be also less. That is the main thing. Means you won't lose so much of the money in the stocks. So first start with the 10,000 rupees and enter in the trading in the stocks only. Don't directly enter into option. That is very dangerous. So moving to the next point. Then the next 3 months, then you start trading in the option buying. So I have clearly mentioned here option buying. Don't enter in the option selling. Why? Because I will tell you in the next slide. So first 3 months you have to trade in the stocks only. Then next 3 months you have to trade in the option buying. Understood? So now you have spent 6 months in the stock market. So that is very very important to all of you. In the 6 months, if you trade in the stocks and option buying, at least you will learn 80% of the market, how the market moves, how the behaves market. So okay, so next point, after completing 6 months in the market, now you can start the option selling. After knowing all the things, you will know what is the benefit of the option buying, what is the benefit of the option selling. Because if you enter directly in the option selling, that is very very dangerous to you, because for option selling it requires a huge margin. Nowadays SEBI has increased the margin also. Before March 2021, the margin, the leverage was given by the brokerage was 50%. Now clients has to pay around 75% of the capital. So, and after September, even in the intraday, you have to give the full margin. For selling us one lot, you have to pay around 1.5 lakh. So it requires, option selling requires a huge margin, a huge capital. Option selling requires. Then after spending the 6 month in the stocks and option buying, you can add more money for the option selling. I will tell what is the benefit of option selling and what is the demerits of option buying in the next video. Next, in stock your profit will be less and losses will be also less. So I already told, if you trade in the stocks, maybe your profit is less but your losses will also be less, means you won't lose so much of money in the stocks if you are trading in the stocks. In option buying, everyone's know your losses is limited, means if you're putting the money 5,000 rupees, if you are starting from the 5,000, you will lose only 5,000, but your profit will be unlimited, means you can make a profit of 10,000, 15,000, 10 times, 2 times, 3 times, even in the 5 times you can make a money of your capital in a single day. But it requires a years of experience, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years experience, because here the trading psychology will work. We'll discuss trading, about the trading psychology I will discuss in the new video. Okay, so after option buying you will lose less but you will make a profit huge. Okay, and next, for option selling your profit is limited but your losses is unlimited. So that I told, never enter in the stock option selling in the beginning stage, because here losses is unlimited, because the capital required is so much high in the option selling. For selling of the one lot it requires 1.5 lakh rupees. So if you are trading from the 1.5 lakh rupees, means your chances to lose of your money is 1.5 lakh, because you are trading from the 1.5 lakh. So your possibility of losing of the full money same as the option buying. So that I told, the option selling is a highly risky but it is the safe. After gaining some experience, you will, everyone who have the huge amount, lakhs, crores, 100 crores, they prefer to sell the options. Why? Because I will tell you in the next video. Now first try to understand the market for 6 months. So first of all, you have to understand the market. So in the 6 months, if you trade from the 10,000 rupees, you will lose only 10,000 rupees. If you start with the 1 lakh rupees, you will lose 1 lakh rupees. If you start with the 10 lakh rupees in the beginning, definitely you will lose 10 lakh rupees. So better to not to lose so much of the money. So better to start from the small capital. Next, don't think for the huge profit. In the beginning of the stage, never think of the I will make a millionaire from the 5,000 rupees. I will make a money of 1 lakh rupees from the 10,000 rupees. No, you can't. So better, so don't think for the huge profit in the market in the beginning of stage of the 6 month. Your focus should be save your capital. First 6 month, if you lose 10,000 rupees, then after you can add 10,000 rupees. If you again lose 10,000 rupees, then after you can add 10,000 rupees. So your focus should be on the save your capital. If you save your capital for 6 months, it will be very useful for you. See, let us take an example. If you take an admission in any engineering college, you pay 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs rupees, but you never say I lost 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees, because you are studying there for 4 years. After that you will get a job of 30,000 rupees per month salary. So 10 lakh rupees you have given for the completing your course. So also here, first 6th month you have to pay the money to the market. Then after you will learn. Then after experience of the 1 to 2 years, you will make a decent profit in the market. So okay, so this is, I think, very useful to all of you. Better start with the small capital for a new trader. So okay, so thank you for watching the video. We'll see in the next video. So okay.